Let's see inclined plane. An inclined plane is a sloping or a slanting surface which connects a lower level to a higher level. It helps to move heavier objects to a height. An inclined plane does not reduce the amount of work done, but makes it easier to do. Children slide in a playground, ramps for wheelchairs, and sloping roads are some examples of inclined planes. Inclined plane haiba simple machine asi karino yengsi. Inclined plane haibasi sloping natragana slanting surface oiba adugumba posak aduni. Sloping hairagadi angambagi saruk yauba adubuni. Masigi inclined plane asina lower level dagi higher level fawasi samjanai. Masina arumba object sing asi awangba mathakta ingkhatpada mateng pangi. Arumba object asi aikoina pairaga thangatlagadi effort yamna changani. Adubu masigi inclined plane asida aikoina arumba pot asi ingkhatlagadi effort yamna handagani. Inclined plane asida aikoina arumba posak mayam ingkhatpa matamda work done haibadi thabak tawbagi chang asi hanthabadi nate adubu aikoida hena laithohanbani. Inclined plane gi example khara hairagadi playground da angang singna sanaba children slide asi inclined plane gi example ni. Masigi figure sida yengsi masigi children slide asi angamba surface ama lairibasi inclined plane ni aduna arumba potchai mayam ama masigi sida thammaga aikoina ingkhatpa matamda irai laina masigi height asida yauba ngamgani. Atopa example khara hairagadi wheelchair gi ramps aduga sloping roads sing asini. Let's see the next simple machine, pulley. A pulley is a simple machine made with a rope or chain wrapped around a wheel. It changes the direction of force and thus makes it easier to lift things to some height. Some situations where pulleys are used are drawing water from a well, raising a flag on a flagpole, workers loading goods, etc. Pulley haibasi simple machine amani masida thauri natragana chain na wheel da yasalli. Pulley asina force ki direction asi change tahalli aduna maram moiraga arumba pochai sing asi mathakta thangatpada irai laina thui. Pulley sijinaba example khara hairagadi aikuina well dagi guha dagi ising chingkatpada pulley sijinai. Flagpole da flag chingkatpa matamda flagpole gi mathakta pulley sijinai. Aduga construction site da workers singna arumba pochai sing asi pulley sijinaduna mathakta thangal asina chingba example kya marum laikre. Let's see the bingo's knowledge bank. Pulleys are very flexible because they use ropes to transfer force. Ropes can be routed through virtually any part. Pulley haibasi yamna flexible oi maramdi pulley asi rope sijinaduna force asi transfer tawuda sijinai. Pulley asida sijinariba thauri asi maikai ama hekta dagi chingba yai aduna maram moiraga pulley asi flexible yamna oibani. There are two main types of pulleys, fixed pulley and movable pulley. Let's discuss them in detail. In a fixed pulley, the pulley is attached to a hook or a wall and it doesn't move. Fixed pulleys change the direction of the force applied effort but do not increase the amount of force. Wells and flagpoles are examples of fixed pulleys. In movable pulleys, the pulley moves with the load. The advantage of this pulley is that it reduces the effort used to pull load. Examples of movable pulley are cranes and block and tackle pulley in sailing boats. Pulley asi maruoina makal ani thokoi makoi sing adudi fixed pulley haiba ma aduga movable pulley haiba ma. Fixed pulley asida pulley asi hook natragana wall da attached tawi aduga pulley asi lenghande. Masigi figure sida yengsi. This is a fixed pulley. Masigi fixed pulley asi fixed support oinaba hook natragana wall de attach tawi. Fixed pulley asida aikoina pisaliba force haibadi effort asi direction change tawi adubu force ki chang asidi hengat padinate. Fixed pulley ki example khara hairagadi wells, flagpoles asina chingba singsin. Movable pulley da pulley asi load kaloina na lengi. Movable pulley gi advantage hairagadi load asi chingna bohana matamda effort yamna handai. Movable pulley gi example khara hairabada cranes and block tackle pulley in sailing boats. Asina chingba singasin. This is the movable pulley. Movable pulley asisu masida hook natragna wall da fixed support tawrani. Aduga rope asi chingba matamda wheel gi portion asisu chingakani. Wheel gi portion asiga load asiga samnabana wheel si chingakpa matamda load asisu yauna chingkhalakani. Aduna effort asi yamna hanthai. Let's see wheel and axle. A wheel and axle arrangement is a modified lever of the first class. It is also a simple machine in which a large wheel rotates around the center or axle. An axle is usually a smaller wheel attached at the center of a larger wheel. The wheel and axle must move together to form a simple machine. Effort applied to the wheel helps in turning the axle and vice versa. This arrangement is used for lifting and moving loads. Some common examples are tires of cars or trucks, screwdriver, a pencil and pencil sharpener, and doorknobs. Wheel and axle haiba simple machine asi first class ki modified lever ni. Wheel and axle asi achauba wheel lamana center natragana axle haina khangnariba mayaigi nakanda ungaga laigani. Axle haibasi apikpa makalgi wheel ni masina achauba wheel dugi center da attach tawraga thami. Wheel ga axle ga asi punna lengminagani aduga simple machine asi semi. Wheel da effort piragadi axle asi ungbada mateng pangi aduga karigumba axle asinasu unga agadi wheel asi ungani. Masigi arrangement asi arumba pochai mayamama thangatpa aduga thangok thangjin tawbada sizinai. Wheel and axle gi example khara hairagadi cars natragana trucks ki tires sing screwdriver pencil ga pencil sharpener ga anisi punna yauminaba haibadi pencil sharpener da pencil asi thingjallaga laiba doorknobs asina chingba singasini. Next, let's see screw. A screw is also a simple machine. It is usually an inclined plane wrapped around a rod spirally. A screw is commonly used for holding things together and lifting materials. Using screws, two things can be interlocked in such a way that they can't be forced to separate. Screws are also used as a method of lifting things like in a jet. Screw asisu simple machine amani. Screw asi inclined plane amani. Inclined plane asina rod amada spirally oina yomjanbani. Screw asi potchai sing fajanabada sijinai aduga material sing thangatpada sijinai. Screw sijinaduna posak ani interlock tawsanduna yamna kanba mawongda separate tawba ngamhandaba ngami. Screw asisu arumba pochai mayamama thangatpada sijinai. This is a picture of a screw. Let's see Bingo's knowledge bank. A jack screw combines a screw with a lever. It helps to raise heavy loads using lesser effort. A jack screw is used for lifting automobiles and other heavy objects, even houses. Jack screw asi screw ga lever ga gi combination ni. Jack screw gi mateng na arumba posaksing asi effort yamna changdana thangatpa ngami. Jack screw amana gari arumba object aduga yum phawba thangatpa ngami. Let's see the next one, wedge. A wedge is an object with at least one slanting side ending in a sharp edge. The sharp edge is used to cut materials. Examples of a wedge include razor and knife. Wedge haiba simple machine asi yamdrabada side amadi slanting oigadabani, ngamthagadabani, aduga mapan asi yamna thawgani. Yamna thawba mapan asina materials sing pochai myam kakpada sijinai. Wedge ki example khara hairagadi razor, knife asina chingbasing asin. This is an X. Masi singjang ni singjangi maya asi slanting side oina lay haibadi ngamthai matonda ngamthai aduna singjang asi wedge ki example. Let's see, recall with bingo. A machine is a device or a tool which helps us to do work easily, efficiently and faster. Machine haibasi device natragana khulai amani. Machine sigi matengna ikoina thabak tawba matamda irai laina ningthijana aduga yam thuna tawba ngami. Simple machines do work either by changing the direction of force or by reducing the effort needed. Simple machine na thabak tawba matamda force ki direction asi hongduna natragana darkar laiba effort asi hanthahali. Lever is a rigid bar or rod that rests on a support called fulcrum. Lever haibasi fix oiba akanba bar natragana rod ni masina fulcrum maina khangnaba support asigi mathakta tongaga lay. Levers are categorized under 3 different classes. This classification is based on the position of the fulcrum, load and effort in different cases. Lever asi class ahum thokthokpa yai. Class thokto ibasi fulcrum, load aduga effort ki tongan ba position gi matungina thokthokpani. In first class levers, the fulcrum is in between the effort and the load. First class lever the fulcrum asina effort ka load ka gi marakta lay. In second class levers, the load is in between the fulcrum and the effort. Second class lever the load asi fulcrum ga effort ka gi marakta lay. And in third class levers, the effort is in between the fulcrum and the load. Third class lever dana effort asi fulcrum ga load ka gi marakta lay. An inclined plane is a sloping or a slanting surface which connects a lower level to a higher level. Inclined plane haibasi slope natragana slanting surface angamba laiba surface ni masina lower level makhagi saruktagi higher level haibadi mathaki saruk asi samjanai. A pulley is a simple machine made with a rope or chain wrapped around a wheel. Pulley haibasi simple machine amani. Pulley asida rope natragana chain na wheel sida ungjal. There are 2 main types of pulleys, fixed pulleys and movable pulleys. Pulley asi maruaina makalani thokthokpa yai. Fixed pulley haibama, movable pulley haibama. A wheel and axle arrangement is a modified lever of the first class. Wheel and axle arrangement asi first class ki modified lever ni. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a rod spirally. Screw haibasi angamba plane namani masina rod amada spirally oina yomjali. A wedge is an object with at least one slanting side ending in a sharp edge. Wedge haibasi object amani masina yamdrabada slanting side haibadi angambagi side ama laigani masigi slanting side asigi aroiba machek asi yamna thawgani. Here it comes the end of the chapter, chapter number 10, simple machines. Thank you.